We're still setting up some of the Gundams here. Back here. Excuse me. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Piplup. It's like the Piplup's the head of the Gundam. Cool. Excuse me. Thank you. Can't wait to show my friend that. Excuse me, guys. Thank you very much. Got a bunch of EVs there. Nice. So this is the Gundam area here. The workshop. Woo. Sneak in front of their little heads-up display there. And then they have a little bit more Gundam stuff right here. Gold, silver, and bronze. Nice statues. Nice. It's all the Bandai Gundams that they have here today. You can get them here.